Let's have a look at the global signal system of ReuseLogic Nexus Addon, my custom OP solution for Godot Game Engine version 4.2. There are times when we want something to globally affect the level, for example a thunder. Children may cry out of fear, it may start raining, and the evil wizard may get a boost in his abilities. Of course, based on my previous tutorials, you can add a sender type of thunder, but adding a sender type for every little thing is kinda ugly. That's why I've implemented a global signal system for you. Before getting into it, we need to upgrade the add-on, and also the example files. I fixed a major bug and an upgrade will ruin the previously created example file. So let's start fresh by downloading the latest version of the add-on and the new example files compatible with that. Close and remove everything in the project and put the new files in. Make sure the add-on is enabled and reload the project. Remember to add the sender types coin, diamond and button to the sender list trace file in the globals folder. Everything is now recovered. To keep it simple, let's globally inform the diamonds when the player jumps. Add a global signal emitter as a child of the brain node in the player scene and add a signal pair to it. Having a look at the script, you see that it has a special property called Global Local Signal Pair Array. What the heck is that? Simply hover your mouse on the drop-downs and read the hint. As you see, the global one is empty. The reason is that we haven't added any global signal yet. Navigate to the globals folder and open the global signal list trace resource file. This is a global signal holder and it does accept the signal list resource discussed in the previous tutorial in the playlist. Let's add a bunch of signals: player jump, Unity stabs users, like my video and subscribe. Back to the global signal emitter inspector, we can now select the global player jump signal. Choose the local jump signal for the second dropdown. This means that the global signal emitter now emits the global player jump signal whenever the local jump signal of the parent brain node is emitted. Navigating to the diamond scene, let's add a signal called inform to the brain node. Actually, I forgot to remove it from the GitHub file. It's already there. Just remove the test one. We should now add a global signal listener to the diamond's brain node. This one also has a global local signal pair array property, but it's the inverse of the global signal emitter. Choosing the player jump and the inform signals tells the global signal listener to emit the local inform signal if the global player jump signal is emitted. The inform signal does nothing, so let's add it to the diamond script and connect it to some function. Let's fix the minor stupidities here and there. And don't forget to select the inform signal in the inspector. As you see, when the player jumps, every diamond in the scene prints black, and that is how to use the global signal system of ReuseLogic Nexus add-on for Godot Game Engine 4.2. By the way, due to the unexpected bug causing a lot of trouble for me in the last 2 weeks, I've changed my plan a little bit. Before creating a beginner-friendly crash course on the add-on and releasing it to Godot Asset Lib, I want to create an actual game utilizing ReuseLogic Nexus. This way I can ensure that the add-on is absolutely bug-free and safe to use in serious projects. Subscribe and hit the bell because the devlogs are gonna have a teaching spirit, and I'll do my best to cover different aspects of creating a complete game using ReuseLogic Nexus. Thank you.